I think realize the importance and the critical component in this, and that is environment. So the planet and other details of this planetary environment in which we live. So we can't possibly treat our environment the way that we see today and expect that the environment will support us. So I think that's the key thing, that this is a personal understanding shift that leads to almost an awareness shift, an emotional shift, and a belief system shift that will affect the way that we live. It will reduce our consumerism. It will change our behaviors such that we will dictate how markets change towards our needs. It's already happening, but I think it needs to happen much, much faster. So I can't see us having this fossil fuel discussion anymore, because we cannot do that and then have a healthy planet to support the increasing number of humans on the Earth. There are a lot of researchers that are looking at global population and saying the planet can support far more people. We just have to make some dramatic changes. So the whole idea that the planet's already overpopulated and that's what's causing environmental problems isn't well supported in science. So it's a perspective shift about our microenvironments, and if all of us do that, that's a viral thing that can dramatically change largest tracts and macroenvironment and the planet.